I'm going to teach you how to create a halation effect in Premiere Pro very easily. Halation is this red sort of glowy, very subtle effect that you see in a lot of cinematic type videos. In something like this, you'll see it glow basically. We're going to have to make our existing video glow red. So it's very easy, actually. You can search up channel blur in the effects panel, and channel blur basically allows you to blur out one of three colors: red, green, or blue, so RGB. And so if you increase the red here, you already see the effect in action. But the thing is, you don't want it to be too obvious, so you will have to lower it. So right away, you see this effect in action. If you want it to be a little bit brighter, what you can do actually is we can delete that. We'll duplicate our clip. So hold Alt or Option and drag up, or you just copy and paste, and instead apply to the top layer here and set the top layer or video to screen. And now you'll see the video get brighter, because what it is two videos stacked on top of each other. And now if you increase the redness, it's both blurry and a little bit brighter. And the great thing about this now also is you can also add a different color like green, for example. So in addition to adding halation, you're also adding like this soft glow effect. Hopefully you enjoyed. Follow for more.